After more than 3 decades in uniform, from my early days as a cadet of the prestigious Philippine Military Academy Taglaw Diwa class of 1992, to serving as the 54th Commander of the 4th Infantry Division, I can say that this journey has been one of purpose, sacrifice, faith, and love. This speech is not really about my career. This is for my family, most especially for my wife. Because behind every accomplishment, every medal, every command, and every success I have had in the Army, my wife, Len, stood quietly and faithfully beside me. She has been my guiding light, my advisor, and my greatest source of strength. While I was deployed in distant places, fulfilling my duties, she was raising our children to be responsible, disciplined, and grounded individuals. She modified their interests, nurtured their talents, and shaped their character. So far, she has produced a physician, a lawyer, and I hope to contribute soon in raising our engineer in the family, God willing. She was both mother and father whenever duty called. There were times in my career when the weight of responsibility felt heavy, and when I thought of quitting or retiring early, she reminded me of my purpose. In those moments when doubt crept in, she pushed me forward. Her influence shaped my career's every triumph. She is my greatest victory. She believed in me when I was unsure. And she did all this while excelling in her own career and fulfilling her role as a mother. Truly, she has been the strongest influence on the man and leader I have become. Len, Puchi, Weng, and Mike, this honor is for all of you as the Army's way of conveying gratitude for all the sacrifices and hardships you all have endured. Initially, I wanted to have a very simple turnover and retirement ceremony because I just want to, as MacArthur said, fade away from the service in the simplest way possible. However, I wanted to give honor to my wife and children before I end my days in the military service. At ito po ang naisip ko, to treat this event as the Army's tribute to the true unsung heroes behind the man in uniform, my spouse and my children. Long before I became a commander, I was simply a young man trying to understand my purpose. And even then, God was already planting in my heart the foundations that would guide me through every battle, every decision, and every period in life. My service in the Philippine Army was a very fulfilling experience. And I thank the Lord for the gift of family, true friends, my superiors, and absolutely to the dedicated men and women that I worked with throughout my stay with the Philippine Army.